Hello everybody, surprise, surprise, I'm back. Remo's Adventure, it's middle of March 2023 and you're joining me today with a new experience, a new adventure, driving around in Germany. So over the next couple of days, weeks, month, everywhere I go, I have my GoPro with me and you can see what I see. Right now, I'm driving around a little town, 1 hour outside of Berlin. It's a very old town. You can see the church in front of me and Kopfsteinpflaster. Old buildings. Enjoy the drive. I will not say much, so you can see what I see, what you see. In German it's very interesting. So you can see I'm turning right, but there's no arrow. As you can see, like in Canada or US, you turn right. No, you have to wait until the light goes green and then you can drive. It's very strange. Usually in overseas, North America, USA, maybe in a lot of European countries, you can turn right. No. Germany, you have to wait until the light goes green and then you can turn. This was 25 years ago different. This was, a big change for me too, because you go, here we go, it's green and now you can drive. See, this guy in front of me turns right and turns right, see, after, right away. Anyway, here we go. I don't even know the speed limit here within the city. I think it's 50. Now we follow. It's around 4 p.m. right now. You see, this is direction Magdeburg. Oh, we have to hurry up. We turn left. Everybody's waiting. And here we go. Passing by the bus. So now you're leaving a little town called Burg. People building houses on the right side, cell tower on the left side. Yeah, so you have a little idea what it means driving around in a small town outside of Berlin. Not much excitement. No. So pretty soon we will pass gas station on the right side, and you can see the price of gas for 1 liter in Eurodollar. But first, let this gentleman or woman or whatever turn left. See how careful they're turning left. So we are still in the city. So you can see on the right side, it's green, HEM. It's a gas station, and there's a lot of, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So normal price is 177, 177.9. So almost €1.80. If you you know, what is this? €1.80, 2.20, 2.30, $2.30. All right, we are outside of the wonderful city of Borg, and you can see there's not much going on here. 70, see here, Borg, the little yellow sign on the left means outside. So now you can go up to 70. So from 50 to 70, big difference. And left and right, it's fields. Not much snow, it's right now 16 degrees. It's pretty warm, nice and windy. Here you can bike, walk, run next to the street. Somebody's walking, or I don't know what she's doing. You have windmills on the left side generating power. Yeah, and this is pretty much driving home after a long day at work. Yeah, not much going on here. Still 70. Yeah, I think I'm driving a little bit fast, but slow down. That's a bus stop, left and right. So the bus here will stop here. And let's go, let's go, let's go! I could play some music, but unfortunately then we have to pay YouTube to play the music. Left side here, it's an old honey farmer. You can buy honey. Still 70. Not much traffic. Somebody's behind us, but they will not pass. It's a very peaceful drive. So now we come to a small town called Grabo. If somebody is interested, take a look at the map. Grabo. We're just driving through. You always have to be very careful, because sometimes the German police try to check your speed, especially when you come in to town. Well, it's not a town, it's a small city. Well, not a small city. I mean, you will see if you drive through. Because it's still 70. I think weekends you can drive faster. Weekends I think it's 90. Here we go. So now we pretty much have to slow down. So you're supposed to be rolling into this little town not faster than 50 km/h. Kilometer per hour. Kilometer per Stunde. The yellow sign means start of the town. And they usually tell you what the name of the town is. Here we go. Grabo. Yeah, and we're at 50. On the right side, here's a restaurant. Family restaurant, there forever. Zum Weißen Hof, I don't know the name. It's a small typical town. That's the Ile. small little creek. Now there will be a church on the right side. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. Old church. Yeah, people who live here usually work outside in bigger cities because there's not much going on here. See, look at this, people parking direct on the street. Very strange, yeah. I would never park